Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to buy checked bags American Airlines. You can pay for up to 3 checked bags before arriving at the airport. Multiple passengers traveling in the same reservation will need to select bags and check in at the kiosk together. You can pay for bags starting 24 hours and up to 2 hours before your scheduled departure. You can't pay for bags online if you're waitlisted, standing by for another flight, or had a flight disruption and you haven't confirmed your new flights. If you're checking more than 3 bags per person, additional bags must be added at the airport. Charges are calculated based on standard bag sizes for flights per person each way. You can pay for bags online ahead of time when traveling on eligible American Airlines marketed and operated flights. Passengers traveling together in a single reservation with multiple bags will receive the best online bag prices applied to all passengers. Other special bags with a specific charge require payment at the airport. American Airlines reserves the right to change the rates, terms, and conditions at any time before payment, with or without notice. If you take a different domestic flight than your original flight, you will need to pay for checked bags on your new trip. If your flight is disrupted or cancelled and you decide not to fly, you can request a refund in full to the original form of payment. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.